Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, reviews, hauls, you name it. If you did the kind of channel you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay. Enjoy eyes with the family. Thank you so much for my return supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. So today's video is our March Boxycharm Premium, and this box is way late, but better late than ever, right? So we have here a lot of goodies for us to try today. We're going to be trying on and talking a little bit about each of the product. So let's dig into this box so this video don't get so long. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that you pay a certain amount of money and you can choose different box, and I'm gonna have the link down below for you guys if you guys decide to try out Boxycharm, or if you don't know who they are. All right, so let's dig into this box so this video don't get so long. So the first product here is gonna be Kiss So Care Skin Transformation Cream, fragrance free, with Bakuchiol. I don't know what that is. A fragrance free hydrating and moisturizing face cream that helps reveal plumped and radiant looking skin, with Bakuchiol, melachite, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. This beauty, it's right here. This is the cream, and this beauty actually retails for $30. Is a great price for face cream, and these you can use morning or evenings. And so I'm just started using now, so I cannot tell you guys much about it, but I'm excited, and the price is actually very affordable for a face cream. So let's go to our second product. Second product is gonna be at Beauty, the Big Bang Mascara. Okay, the ultimate lash maximizing black diamond infused mascara that truly does it all for out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition. And this mascara retails for $28. Very nice addition for Boxycharm Premium. This is March Boxycharm Premium, if I forgot to mention, and the theme is Game Changer. So the mascara is product number 2 and retails for $28. Wow, okay. The next product is the new the Peel All-in-One Serum. Price for this beauty is $85. This better like making me look fabulous. 1.1 ounce. This is a single daily dose of high potency actives designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff skin. Combine the best of clinical and natural. It delivers a one-step solution to layering multiple acids safely. Wow, very nice. And this beauty here from the New & Co retails for $85. I'm like excited for this. We used today for the first time. I am so excited for this product. Our next product is gonna be Seat London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. Oh yeah, the primer was really nice, and that's the primer here we used today. It looks so beautiful on the skin. I love this primer. Prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application with a cushiony texture. This primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy glass-like finish. Formulate with the brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, hydrated hyaluronic acid, moisture boosting yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to create a smooth and hydrated canvas that glow all day. And this primer retails for $32. Very nice primer. I really love this. Now our next product here is gonna be Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. Experience a cooling, comforting, and transformative power of invigorating black pepper, warming ginger, and a detoxifying rosemary. This is a award-winning gel, the perfect antidote to an intense workout or a demanding day. And this beauty here retails for $40. I actually use on my arms a little bit because today I did like an upper body workout and my trainer is getting very hard because I told him, you know, I want to see results, so we just up our weights. So now I am a little sore here and there, but I'm looking forward for use these tomorrow's leg days. Normally I get my legs so sore, so I'm looking forward to use these, and I hope help with that. Right, and the last but not least here was one of my favorite on this box too. It's Grace and Stell Everything Better in Pink Collagen Boosting Eye Mask. The Pretty in Pink eye mask focus on firming and hydrating the under eyes. Formulated with palmitoyl triple peptide 5 to stimulate and boost collagen production, fructose to act and retain moisture in the skin, and the horse chestnut to maintain healthy blood circulation and strengthen the capillaries. Bye dark circles. Those eye masks are the key to improving skin texture and firmness, and this beauty here retails for $24. I'm so excited for these. You know, lately I've been going to bed so late, like literally like 11:30 midnight. This is late for me because normally I like to go to bed around 10 or so, and every time that I go to bed so late I get dark circle in my eyes in the morning and you just look tired. I don't know why, so I have to stop watching so much Netflix. Yes. So, but I'm super excited for these, and these actually come with 12 pairs of eye patch and sells for $24, which is a great price for the amount of eye mask that you get. So that was our last product on March Boxycharm Premium. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comment below if you guys ever tried any of the product or if you're familiar with Boxycharm. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys next video.